Hi, I'm Collin Gervais. I'm with Newton Nissan in Gallatin, and I'm going to be showing you the all-new ProPilot Assist on the 2018 Nissan Rogue. Now, the ProPilot Assist is a very nice feature. It does make driving in traffic or on the highway much more pleasurable. Now, it is very easy to activate. All you'll do is hit this blue button. You can see it appears on the center display. I'm going to switch lanes here real quick. Now to set, all you do is press the set button. Now you can see on the information display that it is active. Now what it's showing you is that the distance control is set and your lane departure assist is set. So you can see that the wheel is turning around the curb. Foot's not on the gas or brake. They do need to keep both hands on the wheel at all times. But as you can see, it takes no effort. Great if you're going on long trips. Now if you want to change the speed that you're going, all you'll do is either hit the plus or minus. You can see where it's changing up at the top of the screen there. And as I get closer to this vehicle, if you see the 3 lines on the display, that shows you my distance. So once I get close, it'll automatically slow down and or pick up speed if that vehicle goes faster or shifts lanes. But that was a quick look at the ProPilot Assist. I'd love for you to come by and check it out. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.